Hello, welcome. So today I'm going to be showing you how the stack looks like whenever you run a program. Alright, so I have a C program here. Let me show you the inside. So this is the content of this file, viewstack.c. I have four functions here. Number one, main. Second one here is one. Then we have two. Then we have three. Alright, so the main calls the one function, then the one function calls the two function, and then the two function calls the three function, and then the three function does not call any other function. It says, hey, I am the last function. Alright, so I'm going to be using GDB to show you how the stack looks like, that is the stack frame looks like when you run this program viewstack.c. Alright, so I'm going to compile this. Let's just call this. Alright, so I'm going to run GDB. Alright, so what I'm going to do now, I'm going to set a breakpoint at function 3. So I'm going to call this 3. Alright, so we have the breakpoint at this address 0x113d, which is the address for the function 3. Alright, so I'm going to run this, and we're going to view the stack right now using BT. Alright, so this is how the stack looks like. If you know the stack functionality, it works like this: first in, last out, or you can say last in, first out. Alright, so over here we have the main function, which is first called by this program when this program runs. So which means main here is the first function that will be stored in the stack, followed by one, and this one function is being called by main, followed by 2, which is called by 1, and then followed by 3, which is called by 2. Alright, so this is how the stack looks like when this program runs. We have the main. You can see the ideology here: last in, first out. So we have 3 here, which is the last function, and it is the one that will be popped out of the stack first, followed by 2, followed by 1, and then lastly main. So instead of main was the first function that was pushed to the stack. So just like I said, the stack does not work this way. The last function that was pushed to the stack would be the one that will be popped out of the stack, and which is 3 in this case. So the first in, last out, or last in, first out, this thing ideology holds. Alright, so I'm going to quit. Alright, so let's try running the program. Alright, so we have it here: main calling function 1, 1 calling function 2, 2 calling function 3, and 3, hey, I am the last function. So but when if you notice from the result of the GDB where we view the stack, if you notice, main was present here, followed by 1, then followed by 2, then followed by 3. Alright, so I just made this video to show you how the stack looks like whenever you run a program. Thanks for watching.